Hello student, welcome to Vidyanest. Today we are going to start differential equation. Differential equation is another important chapter for both JEE and Main and advanced and board exam. Before pursuing differential equation, let us discuss about the perception of this chapter. What is differential equation means? Equation means what? You know that is there is a, somehow related to equal to sign, equation. See, y, x independent variable, you know. You have the conception on function. That means y is dependent variable. Y depends on x. And you know, ui dx means differentiation or differential coefficient. Okay. Now, these are the ingredients of differential equation. Okay. So, differential equation means which involve independent variable, dependent variable and the differential coefficient. For example, ddx of y is equal to log x. It involves x, independent variable, it involves y, it involves differentiation or differential coefficient. So, that is the basic definition of differential equation. Okay. Means if you get dy dx is equal to log x, say, then dy will be log x dx, and if you integrate them, then A will get back the family of curve, family of curve. Okay, that is the role of differential equation. Now, in the time of discussion of differential equation, we have to know the term order and degree. What is order and degree? The order of the differential coefficient, say this is a differential equation which involves x, which involves y and which involves dy dx. So, this is a differential equation. So, its order, it is the first order derivative. So, its order is 1. What will be the degree? Degree means highest power or exponent of differential coefficient is called degree. What is the degree? What is the highest power of this? 1. So, its degree 1. Okay. So, could you follow the order and degree of differential equation? Suppose you have got dy dx whole to the power 4. So looking at a glance, if you are asked to find what is order and degree, see, here you are getting dy dx, here you are getting d3y dx3. That means highest order of the differential coefficient is 3. Differential coefficients or differential operators, highest order is 3. You can say, okay, its power is 4. No, I will here differential coefficients first order is given. Here third order. So order 3, and that highest order differential coefficients power will be considered as degree. Degree is 2. So you have understood what is order and degree of a differential equation. Now, if it were what is the order? Order is 3. But the question is, what is the degree? 1/3? No. Because once you get the power as 1/3, that means you cannot express it. If you get this equation, then and if you are asked to find order and degree, okay, order is 3, but degree 1/3? No, because if the power or exponent is 1/3, so this cannot be expressed as the polynomial. So in this case, degree will not be defined. So here differential equation is not defined. So this is the concept of order and degree. Now, how to frame a differential equation? How to frame? Formation of differential equation. See, suppose you have got one equation of this type. What type equation is this? This is the combination of independent, dependent variable and constant. Independent, dependent variable and constant. Now, how to frame differential equation? First, differentiate the equation with respect to independent variable and eliminate C. C has to be eliminated. Means parameter. Eliminate the parameter. So if you once you to eliminate the parameter, the equation you are getting will be called differential equation. For example, suppose you have got y square is equal to 4x. All of you know this is the equation of a parabola. So here a is parameter, means focus geometrically. So here y is dependent variable, x is independent variable, and 4a is constant. So first you differentiate according to the working rule. ddx of y square chain rule 4a is equal to 2a. Understand? What is our main aim? To eliminate a. So get the value of a. What is a? A is derived just now and got this result. You plug this value and put here. See, the parameter a is eradicated. The parameter a is eliminated. So this is the differential equation so formed. Means if you integrate and solve, you get back this parabolic curve. Understand? So this is the way of formation of differential equation. ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট। এখানে বোঝা যাচ্ছে কি? হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, ঠিক আছে, নেক্সট লাইন থেকে বড় করি। Okay, let us take one example which involves the formation of differential equation. The differential equation of all circles of radius r is given by, four options are given. 1 plus y1 square whole square is equal to r square y2 cube. 1 plus y1 square whole cube r square y2 cube. 1 plus y1 square whole cube r square y2 square, and none of this. Now, differential equation of all circle means it is not specified that the center of the circle lies at origin. It can lie at any point. Okay. So, let you start in this way. Let the equation of circle is equal to r square. What is A and B? Center AB. Radius r. So, this is the equation of the circle. And what is our motto? Our motto is removal of parameters. So, differentiate both sides. This part 2x minus a and this part chain rule. You are very much aware of this. And this part will become 0. That means so you could reach up to this stage. X minus a plus y minus b into dy dx is equal to 0. What is observed here? That r square is removed, but still a and b are there. Now our main role is to remove a and b. Differentiate again. Differentiate again both sides with respect to x. This part will become 1. This part will follow UV method. dy dx is differentiation is d2y dx2, and this part will give you dy dx will be fixed, and this part differentiation will bring another dy dx, and both product is whole square. So y minus b, this part is 1. This is y minus b d2y dx2 plus dy dx whole square. Hope you up to this stage it is simple differentiation you could manage. What will be our next step? Still now you can say, okay, still there is a term b. How to remove that b? Let's see. See, we have got this result. So from here, what we can write? We can write y minus, we can extract the value of y minus b. First of all, instead of d2y dx2, if you wish, you can write y2 and this is y1 square is equal to 0. So, from here, I can separate the value of y minus b. What is y minus b? Minus 1 plus y1 square by y2. That is y minus b. But till now b is there. How can I remove that? See, let us level it. Level this equation by 1 and this equation by 2. Now, you do one thing, put the value of 2 in equation 1 and get the value of x minus a. This is y minus b we have got. And you putting the value 2 in 1, what we get? X minus a will remain plus, instead of y minus b, you put this value. Instead of y minus b, you put this value. What is y minus b? That minus 1 plus y1 square by y2. In place of what I have put? Y minus b. And what we had, what was appended with that? Dy dx. That means y1. That is equal to 0. You can ask me, what is the role of this? Why you are making it so complex? Because here we are getting the different value of x minus a. X minus a, then we have got, shift this thing to right hand side. So, we have got separately the value of y minus b and x minus a. This is, I am leveling by equation number 3. Now, that x minus a and y minus b will be plucked and will be placed in the first equation of circle. Okay, you plug this value y minus b and x minus a, just these two values will be dragged here and placed. Okay, so see, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. What is x minus a? Here, what we have exactly got, 1 plus y1 square into y1 by y2, its whole square. What is y minus b? Minus of 1 plus y1 square by y2 whole square is equal to r square. Okay, up to this stage, I hope you could reach. Now, only one thing is left, simple simplification. See, we could reach up to this stage. So, this power 2 is the power of each component. So, you can write one plus y1 square whole square see, this 2 is the power of this and this. Y1 square by y2 square See this part, this minus sign will be absorbed. 1 plus y1 square whole square by y2 square. 1 plus y1 square whole square by y2 square is equal to r square. Now, how to simplify it? You take 1 plus y1 square whole square by y2 square common. What will be left for you? For you, this thing will be left, and against it 1 will be left, is equal to r square. So, we are in the verge of termination of the sum. Whole cube is equal to r square y2 square. So, let's match with the answer. With which answer it is matching? Option C. So, from the basic level differential equation, you have got one joint interest level sum. Option C correct. Understand? Next part of differential equation is variable separation. Variable separation. What is that? Suppose you have got differential equation of that type, where m is function of x and n is function of y. In that case, variable is already separated. We have nothing to do but integration. So, in that case, you integrate and get that equation. But instead of, function of x, if m is function of y and n is function of x, put here function of y dx plus function of x dy. In that case, we have to give a pause. Why? Because I cannot integrate the function of y with respect to x. I cannot integrate function of x with respect to y. We have to make the variable same. So, here variable separation will play the key role. How to separate the variable? With our basic perception. The function of x will go with the differential dx and function of y will go with differential dy. So, exchange that. Now, the variable are separated, integrate and get the solution. So, this is the basic concept of variable separation. Let us take one example based on this.